Welcome to PrimeXBT. In this video, we'll give you a quick overview of the Covesting copy trading module, where you can follow the strategies of successful traders or make your own trading strategies to earn extra income. You can access the Covesting platform by clicking on Covesting on the menu at the top of the account dashboard. As you may already know, Covesting allows platform users to browse through hundreds of strategies provided by other traders and automatically copy their trading activity. Thanks to Covesting, users with little trading experience can achieve the same returns as the leading traders on the platform. In the Rating tab, you'll find a list of all existing Covesting strategies that can be followed. You can use the filter function to find the strategies that best suit your personal risk-reward appetite. An approach to finding good Covesting strategies to follow is, for example, to filter for strategies that have been active for more than 60 or 90 days and show a smoothly rising performance curve with a low drawdown ratio. You can access detailed statistics, performance charts, risk management metrics, and much more by clicking on a strategy you're interested in exploring further. In the Portfolio tab, you can see how the strategies you're currently following are performing. You can also see which strategies you followed in the past. Every trader can earn a second income by receiving success fees from their followers by creating a Covesting strategy. The more followers they acquire, the more money they'll make from profitable trading. Under the My Strategies tab, you start a new strategy, see your existing strategies, their performance, number of active followers, and the success fees you've already received from the followers. You can add additional capital to your strategy or completely close it whenever you like. Under My COV, you can use your Covesting tokens to access a special discount on trading fees, increase profit share, and enjoy other benefits while using the Covesting module. In the next video, we'll show you how to follow the Covesting strategies managed by other traders.